Hey guys, Angela here, and for the last 2 weeks, I've been obsessed with travel vlogs. I guess it's because, you know, the last almost over a year, we've all been stuck indoors and pretty much unable to travel fully internationally. So I've been watching a lot of travel vlogs, specifically Japan, because we all know we're all supposed to go on that Japan trip, and then COVID hit. I've been watching a lot of convenience store taste test videos, and oh my god, I am totally craving those tamago sandos, those egg sandwiches, and I gotta make it, guys. I have to make it. Now, to be fair, I've had them before, at least in Japantown. I don't know if they're the same, but I'm craving that. I'm craving the creaminess of the egg salad in the fluffy white sweet Japanese shokopan bread. Oh my god. So let's get it. Let's go. I'm gonna show you guys how to make the simplest but the best egg salad sandwich ever. Let's go. So since it's an egg salad sandwich, very few ingredients, you want to get the best ingredients. Starting off with the bread, you want to get shokopan, which is like a Japanese style fluffy sweet white bread. It's super like soft, and it usually comes in packs like this. You can get this in your local Asian market or local Asian bakery. They sell them. Next is the mayonnaise. We ain't using regular mayonnaise. We're gonna be using Kewpie mayonnaise, and Kewpie mayonnaise is Japanese mayonnaise in its own flavor content. It's richer, it's a little sweeter, and it's so much tastier than the American stuff. Lastly but not least, the eggs. And just because the eggs are the star ingredients, and I'm naturally a firm believer of buying good quality eggs, buy the best quality eggs they have in the store. Ideally, I wanted to buy Jidori eggs, but they ran out. So bought the next best thing, cage-free, free-range, organic, blah, 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 blah eggs. These were pretty expensive, but the yolks are nice, it tastes really good, and it really makes a difference. So let me show you guys how to build this sandwich. Okay, we have a pan with some water, and while the water is still cold, we're gonna drop our eggs. Okay, then we're gonna turn on the heat, and we're gonna basically cook. We're gonna basically wait till this starts boiling, and then we're gonna start our timer at 12 minutes. All right, at this point, I have started my timer at 12 minutes. We're gonna separate the yolks and the whites, because the yolk part is what we're gonna be mixing with our mayonnaise. And we're gonna put our Kewpie. So I'll do 2 tablespoons for now. And then we're just going to kind of mix it up like that. We're gonna do 2 pinches of sugar, a pinch of salt, and a dash of heavy whipping cream. Sorry, not heavy whipping cream, that's half and half. Okay, now that you have like your egg yolk mixture mixed up, you're gonna reintroduce your egg whites, which I kind of just chopped up into like bite-sized pieces. And we're just gonna reintroduce it. Look at that. All right, so this is basically the bread I was talking about. You could just see like how like delicate this bread is. And traditionally with Japanese sandwiches, they actually take off the crust. And so that is what we're gonna do here. And now before we put our egg mixture on, I'm actually gonna butter one side of the bread. I have some like softened butter here. This is gonna kind of act as one, a moisture barrier, and two, a barrier between the egg and the bread. Now we are just going to pile our egg mixture, just like that. Oh, got a little straggler. Okay. We're going to close it. Perfect. Oh, this is heavy. Okay, and then I don't know which way to cut it. I think I'm just gonna cut it in halvesies. There you go. Japanese egg sandwich. Oh my God, I'm so hungry. It's like lunchtime. I didn't even eat breakfast. Here it is. Wants to focus. There it is, our Japanese egg sandwich. Tamago sando. It's as if we went to a convenience store, but not as convenient as going to a convenience store. But anyways, now you know how to make it, so you don't have to travel to Japan. Still travel to Japan, what am I saying? At least you know how to make it, so let's give it a try, okay? Itadakimasu. This bread is ridiculous. It's like I'm eating a cloud. Oh my God. The egg, guys, it doesn't taste like a normal egg sandwich, I'm telling you. I'm sure it's not as good as a 7-Eleven egg sandwich from Japan, as all the vloggers are saying it's so good. This is really good. Perfect timing, my laundry just finished. Taste so exquisite and homey and satisfying. Don't forget to subscribe and like to this video if you love sandwiches with eggs like me, or well, just me. I'll catch you guys in the next video, and here's a sneak peek or a clue of what next videos is gonna be about. We're making something saucy and spicy, so stay tuned.